Hi, good evening everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate one more application which is basically used for setting a question paper in technical institutions and in the universities. So I have just logged into the chief examiner login where you can find options like settings in which you'll have to set your academic years. We are going to set one question paper for the new academic year now, that is for 2019 to the academic year 2020. I'm just configuring the details. In this video we'll basically see the configuration part of this particular tool, where we need to add academic years and we need to add the programs that are basically available in the particular institution. Now maybe we'll consider Bachelor of Engineering and MTech, Master of Technology and Master of Business Administration for this particular institution. We'll try to add the other two programs also which we just discussed, that is Master of Technology. I'll just scroll this little ahead because now I'm just adding Master of Technology and then the number of semesters in that, and I'm also adding the Master of Business Administration. I'll just try to take it forward so I can find Master of Business Administration. So we have basically added these three programs, that is Master of Engineering, Master of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering and then Master of Business Administration. And now I'll try to probably match the departments to these programs which we just added. So I'll choose one of the program, that is Bachelor of Engineering, and I'll add Computer Science and Engineering to this particular program. Computer Science and Engineering, and in short probably I'll specify it as CSC, and then submit it. And I'm adding one more department, ISC, and then submit it. Let me also add two more subjects, one for the program Master of Technology, one for MBA, Human Resource and Development. And you can also see there's one program which we are trying to add it for MTech, it's Computer Science and Engineering. And we have typically listed out 4 departments for the 3 programs that we have added. And now let me go to exams and see if there is anything set, and you can find no exam details found. We'll try to add some exams for this academic year 2019 to 20 and set basically 3 exams, 2 internal assessments and 1 final examination. So I'm specifying the first internals, exam name as first internals, maximum time as 1 hour and maximum marks as 50. So it has been listed here. Let me also create the other 2 examinations for this academic year, that is the second internals and the final examination. Choose the same academic year. First internals is done. Now we are going to create the second internals. You'll also have to specify the time duration for that particular exam and the maximum marks, because it has to be basically printed in your question paper. So if you can notice, I'm again adding the final examination. Use the academic year, final examination. And once I add the final examination, we have come back to the staff, where I also typically have to add staff who is going to set the question papers. We are currently in chief examiner's login, who will have to configure the entire system and then allot question papers to the faculty listed over here. And to set the question paper, the one question paper will be typically given to 3 faculty, the subject experts who have been chosen that particular subject to teach, and there will be one reviewer for that particular paper. So to set the question paper for one subject, we typically need 4 faculty members who has already taught that particular subject any number of times, maybe once, twice or thrice, or expertise in that subject. So just to demonstrate that, I'll probably try to add 4 faculties here in the portal, because I need at least 4 faculty to demonstrate, because I need to, chief examiner need to allot the question paper for 3 faculty and one reviewer. I'm adding one more Vasudev, and I'm adding one more Mr. Chetan. See, if you could see here, there are typically no the 4 faculties. I just added 4 faculties, and we'll try to add new subjects to the academic years, because now your examinations are ready, your staff is ready, your courses are ready, your departments are ready, and there has to be an entity called subject to which you need to create examination for. So I'm trying to create an examination and map it to the respective department, program, semester, and academic year. I'll have to give the subject code and name of the subject, specify the short name for that particular subject, and add the subject. Once this is done, then you'll have to go to new subject. Maybe you can add any number of subjects. It typically, if you take an academic semester, you will have 6 subjects and 2 labs. Maybe it may vary from semester to semester, because each semester may typically have only 4 subjects and one project, or whatever is available. You can probably set it accordingly. For the demo, I'm going to add 2 subjects here with the code 18CS42 and 43, and the subjects that I have chosen here is programming the web and computer organization. Short name as CO, and then submit it. So you can typically find the academic years subjects is done, and if I go there and list out, I can find those subjects. This is all about the configurations. So the complete system is now set up to allot question papers to the faculties. Let me go to that particular semester and also show you those subjects which we have just created. You can find the list of subjects which are allotted for this particular semester. Since it is processing online in the cloud hosting, it is taking typically taking some time to load. Now this is it for this particular video. In the next video, we'll see how exactly the chief examiner allots question papers to the faculty, and how faculty set the question papers and submit it to reviewer. How can reviewer review it and then finalize for the final question paper printing for the examination.